Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Adi Ihsan Imami. I'm here to present a paper research. The title is Mathematical Computational Thinking Ability of Junior High School Student. It's written by Adi Ihsan Imami, Muhammad Rizal Kamil, and Agung Prasetyo Abadi. Okay. It's presenter detail. Okay, in this presentation, I divide into 5 sections. The first is presenter detail or my curriculum vitae, and second is preliminary. Preliminary is a background of the problem, and then methodology. The fourth is results and discuss, and then the 5 is conclusion. Okay, the first is presenter detail. My name is Adi Ihsan Imami, and then my email is adi.ihsan@fkip.unsika.ac.id, and my background education, and I have a bachelor in mathematics from the Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, and then I continue to the Master of Mathematics Education. It's on STKIP Siliwangi. And then my working experience is from 2017 till present. I'm a lecturer at Universitas Singapura Bangsa Karawang from the Department of Mathematics Education. Okay, and then preliminary or background of the problem. Ideal condition. In this ideal condition, computational thinking skills are needed by students today. There are advantages in developing computational abilities in the field of mathematics, namely, students can develop computational and mathematical thinking so that they can be developed in computer science. Making student proficient in problem solving, bring science and mathematics education to the computer field that needed in the era of globalization. And then, still in the preliminary, factual condition, based on result of interview with a mathematics teacher at junior high school in Jakarta, that most students' ability to think mathematically is still relatively low. It can be seen from 1. Students find it difficult to choose the information needed to solve a word problem. Students often find answers without ways or steps of completion. The third, there are still many students who have a difficulty given similar problems, but in a different way or number. According to mathematical teachers, this can happen because the application in learning mathematics to the ability to think mathematical is difficult to apply. Students prefer easy question so that the question or math problem given the students are routine question. The most important thing is that students can finish it. Okay, then the purpose of research. is to analyze and describe the computational mathematical thinking skill of junior high school student. And then the methodology. In this methodology, in approach and methodology, I use qualitative and descriptive analytic. Subject that I choose to this research is student from a junior high school in Jakarta. And then determination of subjects or sampling method, I use a purposive sampling technique. Then the instrument are arranged based on the indicator of mathematical computational thinking ability. The indicator is to be achieved, namely decomposition, abstraction, generalization, algorithm, and then debugging. Data collection technique is test, non-test, and documentation. And then data analysis technique is on the based on Mile and Haberman is data reduction, display data, and conclusion. Then research results, result and discussion. We can see at the diagram pie in the right place. It can be seen that of the 27 students, there were 3 students or about 11.11% who were in the low category. Then 80 students or above 66.67% were in the medium category. And then 6 students or 22.2% were in the high category. It's so that in this study, in general, students have the ability to think mathematically in the moderate category. Okay. In the right, on the right of my place, it's I describe a question based on my research. The question is here. In the bag, there are 4 blue balls, number 1 to 4. 3 yellow balls, number 5 till 7. And 5 green balls, numbered 8 until 12. 3 balls are taken one random from the pocket and are not returned. Find the probability that the first yellow ball is an even number, the 2 green balls are a prime number, and the 3 balls are even numbered consecutively. We can see the answer. It can be seen that students can mention the correct information and can identify and be able to describe the problem given in a simple form correctly. But in solving the problem, it is still incomplete, or there is an error in determining the question in question from item. Meanwhile, in the problem, the probability of getting the first yellow ball with an even number, the second green ball with a prime number, and the 3 balls with an even number respectively. The conclusion of this research, based on the result of analysis and discussion, it can be concluded. A majority of students' computational mathematical thinking ability are in the medium category. But students' mathematical computational thinking are still relatively low because students in medium category are only able to master algorithm indicator. In mathematical computational thinking, while the other indicator have not been achieved. Okay. Okay. That's all for my present. Thank you. I'm Adi Isanimami Muhammad and my partner Muhammad Rizal Kamil and my partner Agung Prasetya Abadi. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.